Hello, my people. Now, good morning, or good afternoon, or na great. This message you go to fool when you don't know yourself, when you don't know left and right, when you know what it be life, a low life, when they advise person to the wrong person, to the better person matter. Now, this message you go to you. Sit down, and reason your life. Sit down, think how your life would go. Front and back, you look at where and know whether you wake kilo where before you go come out of vomit rubbish come out. Before you go they send nonsense, they write nonsense, they post nonsense. If there is not the reason you, because I see you as a nobody and you are a nobody. No even other person like you they exist. Because I can never be you. If even my sisters are going to even disown you. As my sister go disown you. If you don't know. Because my sister can never be a slave for another fellow woman like her. My sister can never be a slave for fellow woman where a day husband has to enjoy. Can never be. We know they be slave for person. Or would they expect person to be slave for us? You know there were family. So I say we go use person like that. Okay? This person go to you, green snake under the green grass. When you know a left and right. When you know say day don't break, make you think about tomorrow. If they think about to, I want scatter everything. I want turn everything upside down. You're not ashamed of yourself. Bini say kwemu. You know get shame. The third person say, neck you know who they follow, so now they kill you. See who they talk. The people when they talk a matter, they go, who born picking no resemble your papa, who born picking resemble your mama, who born picking resemble this one. Who they don't tell them? Or you no talk. You know they talk am about. May will go palace, may will go judge case, you know who go win the case. May them gather to beat person. That person don't gather one beat, you know how I go to the fight for her. You they talk. Where do you get to talk? Which advice you get to give person? You. Give person advice. For where? I look front, I no see you. I look front, I no see you. I turn right, I no see you. I turn left, I no see you. I even turn back, I no even down. I no even see you for anywhere. No one where you dey. You not belong to up, not belong to down. Which one you dey? You just dey the center. Then they order you. I want drink cocoa now. House girl go bring the cocoa, make I drink. I sit down. I want eat rice. House girl go bring rice, they come for me. I sit down. My pikin they cry. House girl go bring pikin, they come for me. I sit down. House girl go push kindergarten for me. I sit down. House girl go carry luggage for me. I sit down. House girl go back my pikin. I sit down. You know the reason. You know the reason your life. People will say you even senior, they order you to send you message. They fool yourself. They mumu. You need they bend down for person, then they use you. May they God no let person. Woman like me, they sit down for my head, they shit for my head. I said they bend down for her. God forbid. I thought it's not my portion. You need to sit down to reason your life. Look how your life they be. Before you go, the person say, make you run for this person. Say now they kill you. You where they talk say this person na proko, wait till you come be. You where they talk say this person they talk person matter, make them run for them. When they carry phone, they call you, they tell you this person talk. Why can't you end that call immediately? When the person they call you, start they judge the case. I carry this my phone, I carry phone now, I call you. Hello, Ijoma, good morning. Oh, I see Anita today. Oh, if you see Anita, if you see what Anita where. You know, say, no, my sister beg, they cook food, and my food won't burn. Make I go kitchen, go check the phone and they cook. Why can't you do like that? You carry the phone, you hold on. Right on. Yeah, not true. Talking. No mind now, I say they do one. Or you know, top put, they listen to the finish. I say, they talk with the person they talk with, they record them. They keep them for use them against that person tomorrow. Wait till you come be. Winch. Devil. Green snake under the green grass. Not be you be. Before you go, even they talk say, this person they talk, this person no talk or run for this person. First look in your life. Which advice you get for the person? I even regret to even make you fail because I don't say anything at all when I take as advice. I don't say anything when I even take, when you even give me, when I say this person now I even take. I even change you. I even make you shine for a few months. I even let you do say, see, come out. Many people not say yes, you see there. Put smile for your face. Put that shame for people, for devil face. I even give you that advice. If only that one. I give myself thumbs up. It's okay for me. Which you don't give return. You know they. Now step back, snake under the green grass. My people, now I know who na they follow. Who they talk, they come at. That person might be the good person. That person say no, they talk. I know fit. I know fit. That person, my dear, put leg, join leg, take run. Take your race. Run for that person. No, I want drink coke. House girl, give me coke. I drink, I drop her. Whose side you dey? Person why they call a family munch. Why they accuse the family? I cannot leave my bikini for my family. I cannot leave my bikini do this one. I don't friend do this one. Why is that one can be? Now he good. Now he be the good person. My people. They say before person go carry matter, I carry matter come out and I look myself for mirror. I stand for the mirror. I know what I they talk. Before you go even they call person, they tell us say this person no good, this person na pro, this person no good, run for her. You fail look yourself. Which advice you get for all those people? When they call say, make them run for this person, say you no good. Which advice you get to that person? You when they talk say this person is no good, you no get respect. You call that person, tell her say you need to cool down, they say you no get respect. You don't advise that person. What do you get? All those foreign and when you carry the call, they say this person no good, when they run for an approco it be. Give me that word when they don't give you. Tell me what you get to return. After you tell them, they will tell you, say thank you. They turn back and they will say, now they tell us. Why not tell us before? The time while they talk Anita matter together, we sit down or phone, it is sweet you. And so, Liban, no minor. They talk your own now. Heart attack. It don't enter you overnight. You won't die. You know they sleep. I don't even know whether you exist, you. I don't know whether woman be like you, too. If you the reason, I know the reason you. Don't reason me, oh. Because I they go forward, or they go higher, oh. If you reason me, you go die, oh. Don't reason me. May I not go die slowly for side house. Because I better pass you. That mean why they top. Better pass you when be say you go knock. You see this bottle cup, go put this drink for inside. You go close, I don't go see where to breeze go come out. Hey, that one can't be my people. That one a good person. What do you get to return for? What do you get? What do you need to gain? You won't gain for that person hand. Waiting, nothing. You see me? I dey gidigba. I dey go higher. I dey shine. You see my face, brightness, smile, beauty. If I even remove wig, if I do hair, we do all without no wig. I still look beautiful. No makeup, just a white powder. I still look more beautiful. Douglas, see, I still look beautiful. You see, they get mad to the talk. They post nonsense. They write. They carry phone. People when you don't call and when you don't tell. What they give you? I go scatter everything. I go scatter. What you don't get to return? And then if you don't know, make opportunity to educate you. And they laugh you. After you tell them finish, they tell you say thank you, my sister. God bless you. If you turn back, you send them. And now they tell me why you not tell me before. If you don't know, my opportunity to tell you nothing. You they talk say this person talk. You forget the why they tell the talk say person picking when you born no resemble you, papa no resemble mama. My son, if you want bring this matter, come out, yeah. Get up, come out, reply. You don't bath. They know me. I no get time for person. I know the reason person. If I just vomit and come out, as I vomit and come out, I leave and there. Pass you when keep them. They use them against person tomorrow. My people, person where they keep something when you want use to do evil for person tomorrow. What do you people call that person? A good person? Person where they speak out, where they go the person they go. Because they not say person when I carry phone and I call and say this person talk. That thing when I talk, I not say tomorrow that thing will come out. Not be so. Not be secret something. Or who they keep on? Keep on go tire for inside phone, inside in mind. If they burn them in one die. If they keep on there, they leave on there. He won't die for there. For inside in mind. Tomorrow, you won't use it against that person. What that person, he can't be? Now, a good person. Now, the person, he be. You they call yourself saying, are you good? You they call everybody. You they tell them, make them run for this person, they no good. Now, you come good. You know the reason your life. How they send you message, they order you for message. A woman like you, go sit down, they send you message. Breaking that bargain. Bring my baby. Bring cup. Bring water. Bring rice come. This not one I buy, I dash you. Because why? If they do boy, they follow. Without that, you no go dash you. Because you know what thing they use you, they do. My mate, my woman like me, when marry, their husband has as me marry. Can never they order me around. God forbid. It's not my portion. I return and make I give you, make a two boy, they follow people. Don't let your eye open. They claim say you too know, now you know pass. I too good. Now you good pass. Now person like you, they call say now be good person, now be saying how they talk, but inside on a heart, now go lock on. Now who they talk, they come out, maybe the bad one. Where do you get to give person? Who they call catch a family in which you get any advice to give person? You talk, you say, now woman, when a woman they with you for us, now you marry. Man, when woman they with you for us, now you marry. That is single mother one they talk about. Not be everybody, my dear. Unless if you are own, you go stay with another woman for lap. And now you go to say that one not be a husband. Not a person like us, a responsible woman. I know use money to buy man. Now man use money to buy me. Okay? I know use money to buy man. Man use money to buy me. Go market, go wear fake ring, you put for hand and stamp am. 3 months a black, a true one. Now that marriage, now they call say that will not be marriage. Not be when man you use like this, to buy ring, you put for your hand. The sweat, remember the money for the ring. Now that one you go talk. Which one you get to talk? Which one? You they talk. How? My dear. First sit down. Do like this, you reason. Before you go even they give personal advice, run for this person. Look your life, how they go. Look the mate where they fall. After they use you, they go drop you. Look at the life where they shine. Then they shine, they go. Look at. You say, don't be say a person keep quiet, zip your mouth. No, say person they run for fight. Say person no go feel fight too. Or person no want talk. Your person no feel talk because they fear you. Or your pass, the person no even like say you no even see you. Because me no even they know that person like that they pass. Just like say you don't they call. You know that shut that up. They carry phone, they call, they talk rubbish. They talk nonsense. Who they see you? You don't bath. Me and my mate can never go market then do market, then leave me come out. Either we go together or our first come out. That is life. Look where our life will they go. Look mirror. Like if you get picture, look picture last year, look picture this year. If you get picture, look picture 2017, 2018. You go see different. That is a wise woman. You know, say picture for last year and this year not be the same thing. If you get something where you miss, you need to find that make complete. That is a woman. Not a woman where you go find, you go turn, everybody get one. He say the advice. Run for this person, advisor. Run for this person, advisor. You don't advise yourself. All of them now where you go push, you put them, they go push you, they go, they laugh you. You carry phone and you talk everything, heaven and earth. What do you get to return? You say no. The time when they talk Anita own, they sweet you. Na so talk you reach your turn now. Heart attack enter you. You won't die. You know they even they feel they sleep again. If they eat yourself, they chop yourself, they go. Because your hand is not clear, your mind is not pure. You see me now? See ya. Even the fat they go, they higher, they boom. I dey gidikpa. What to do me? They talk, they go, they die. Silence. My sister, speak out. You know whether they go help you. All those ya cannot. You don't read the time, you don't get picking, don't read the time to change. Speak out. If anybody get any advice, he make them give you. This math, then don't want to talk. We not say you don't know who you go talk, you go they laugh you, but you speak out. You don't know who go help you. No go die for silent for side house. Heart attack won't kill you for inside house. No go die. Speak out. Speak out. Stop till they do fun. This message go to you. Reply me. Fool. Snake. Green snake under the green grass. Reply. Okay? Reply me. What if your problem? Wait, what is that? You're not supposed to sit down and reason. You're not supposed to sit down and reason. Sit down and reason. How tomorrow go be? Now they sit down, the tell person say run for this person, now they kill you. When they give you your own advice, you take. You don't take. But when your eye open, you know. Let that person eye open, make you know. Stop talking nonsense. Stop blabbing. See your mouth. See your shame. First go bath. If they follow person, the cloth to wear you wear. Nobody tell you this cloth to wear. I tie this wrapper now. I wear this shirt, I come outside. My friend, when I call my friend, when I they walk boy, they follow. You know, tell me say this cloth when I wear, you no good. Tell about when I tie, you no good. Another person can't tell you. What do you call that friend? But if they follow you for back, you don't tell say waiting you wear no good. You call that one my friend. Mugu. According to Okwa, a fool of 40 is a fool forever. No, you be. As a wiseness, I want scatter Ileko. I want scatter everything. I want turn everything upside down on me. I clap for you. Wait till you get to return. Wait till you get to return. A lot they laugh you. See one woman that day. I know waiting you talk. All of them they laugh you. You they go. Make I talk make I scatter. Make I go scatter everything. Make everything is turn us. That's what they do. Make everything is on upside down. Go scatter everything. Say, see this one. Shape of man. They talk. You know me say if the person they keep quiet, the person don't know what to say. Oh. Or if they talk, if they do, the person just they keep quiet, the person they fear you. Not only fight it go end you. Either you beat the person or the person they beat you. Now you go end. You know, so they say sometimes, if one person they carry one person matter, put for it, that matter always a killer. If you carry that matter, you put that for head. Now death now will bring that load for grant. And I wait till it go consume you. It go consume you if you don't know. Advisor. Go first, go advise yourself. As your life will be. See as you be. You know, look, I'm talking to you, fool. Reply. You know yourself. Reply me. You like you watch her, you know like you don't watch her. All those your friends. All those your friends don't go. All those your friends. Now you know you go watch her, then go tell you. Then go see if them go tell you. Then they pump and they help you, then they clap for you. You know what they talk for your back? No. Then they talk, they tell you, yeah. Gather them, make them talk. Yeah. Now then they laugh. Like I tell you what them talk. And they laugh you, fool. Where you be? If you don't know. And they laugh you, my dear. Sit down, buckle up. Wake up as a woman. Fight for yourself. Think about yourself. Recorder. Messenger. Think about your life. My hand now up for myself. That own now down zero because I'm not saying anything collect for your side. My own. If I bring book, come a book with food for waiting, I advise you when you work for your life. Your own, I don't see anything. I regret the day when I even cross you. When I even know you, my dear. Change. Change this year. Green snake under the green grass. You know good. This is time to change. If they use money, they buy man. I don't use money, they buy man. Man, they buy ring, you put that for my hand. You use money, they buy your own. You wear it, they stamp around. They do it like anywhere, they buy put that. Anywhere where you other at church or any market, anywhere, you go put that like this. After 3 months, ring it don't black, you go through one. As my only been on 9 feet, tomorrow I go span down. Because, Toya. Feel like get. I be. Okay? As you claim, say, na man where they with woman for house, na you marry. As men where they with men when they never married them, that one na marriage. Some see they responsible like that too. They never get money to marry the woman. Then they live where. When someday, mama baby, papa baby, mama pikin, he did there. When someday with the woman for house, na responsible man, when the money come, then go marry. Better pass you your own, go stay with another woman in lap. They get mad to talk. How dare you? First advise people, good thing. My people, we need good advice. Not be person who go keep something to use them against you. If you get a friend like that, you push her out. A friend, push her out. Why you go keep something go take laugh you tomorrow? That a friend, keep her. You just throw one. Use broom to sweep her out for your life. People where they the ones where they baffle me. People where they follow, they go higher. She where they follow them, you see they that center there. You not sit down to reason. Person need to use tongue, take can't eat it. Let's know if you say I'm out to the smell. If you do like this, put out for your nose, you perfume the odor. Now you be. Sit down and reason. Me, I don't stay for mentally. They know me. Even if this video they go for Facebook, they go everywhere. They know I don't get time for person. They will come my own. Now these people, low life people when I meet for year, when I don't know their left and right. To say them be to say you be woman being. Even you self, or even the talk, not even the rest. You know yourself. You say you be woman being, no say you be mumu, dog, snake. If they pull up for dog neck, anywhere them dry and go, now they go. Now you be you. Now you be. If you don't know, make an opportunity to tell you. Husband where they walk, boy, they follow. You know they see them. They're not even saying you. You go person in the house, you go see them. How many times they don't call your house? They will call you for phone, they go just they run, they go. How many times they don't call your house? I don't come visit you. I get friend in the UK. You know me. It may be say go watch this video. Okay? Just first sit down, reason your life. No, they carry phone, they call. This one say, run for this person. Person now they follow. Now they kill you. How about you? As you want to be good person, they follow person, no, they kill the person. Look at why they follow and the life will they shine. I want they bitter. Look you. Look, it's not okay, look yourself. Your life will they bitter. If you don't know who they look, you know say your life will they bitter. Smile, no they your face. Bright, no they your face. I don't see anything. You see the way man they talk. Person keep you quiet. Let's say person don't know what to say. Oh. They say the better thing to silence a fool like you. Because you're a fool. A fool of 40 is a fool forever. You don't go figure sense again. You follow this person, he use you, shine, finish, he drop you. You enter another one again, use you, shine, finish, he drop you. You know they get sense. Woman like you, they use you, they shine. They order you around. Give me water, make I drink, you go give up. Give my phone a day for table, you go give them. Go just carry for, go just call you, run, come, oh, go just run, they go. You know they sit down to reason your life. You don't get person where this life when they gossip. The person they make it say it day. You get who complete. Buhari where they rules. They gossip. The top person what? They plan evil. Also you are real evil. Snake. Snake where they if you don't say if it's snake, they work, you're gonna do like this. Until you reach that thing where you want it. If you don't say no fit and go just do like this. Boy. Now this fool be. Message go to you, reply me fool. When I don't know you left and right. You get advice. You run for this person in no good. Run for this person in no good. Run for this person in no good. Now you good. Now you good. Now that person in matter they carry. Now that so that load go kill you. You never will stand for your own. Now person matter now you they will stand for. That's why you go take life for long. And as they carry the person matter, carry the person headache. They drink the paladon they put. So that headache go take you. This is my cause for you this morning. I say go take you. So I say that person headache, now you always they carry. You never come out to stand for your own. Now person own. And you go enter the person, you go eat and eat and eat and. You go to eat and you go to blow and blow. After you don't eat and finish. Before the person go no say, it dey feel pain. Now you be. And I saw your life go take the bitter, they follow you. The bitter. Then you person then they make example. If you person they make example, na gossip. If you are not a gossiper, if they call you for phone, when you they pick. When you listen to Anita on finish now, they sweet you, they suburb, they rejoice. You reach your turn now, you won't die. Reply, fool. Not think how your life will take good, how your man will come stay with you. Leave the woman where they in life with there. They talk another thing. They advise person. First advise yourself. Look your life. Not think. People where they advise, then they go higher. Some of them got 4 children. Some of them get 3 children. Some of them get 2 children. Some of them no get. Some gets. See their life with a shine. You wear your own day. Now that center you see day. You know the reason? You they die silent. They catch a family winch. You see they talk. You are a good person. Run for her. They eat you. Advisor. And which advice you don't advise the person when you say make you run for the person? When they tell you matter, you don't call and tell us, say, this is what they tell me. I beg you, I want to make you change. You do them. You don't advise them. You don't advise them. People don't know when you carry phone on, when you call and when you don't tell the matter. What if they don't give you award? Show me the award when you don't get. Show me the benefit when you don't connect. Whatever they laugh you for back. See fool. You can't tell us. Wait till she still talk. Why not tell us before I come be now? The settle matter. See who the settle matter. Why they fool himself they go. No go sit down to reason how your life will take better for you. I pity for you. Fool. Reply me.